Hello, I've been on vacation, so I am finally back, and it's been about 2 weeks, so I'm going to go ahead and start making another tutorial here. Today we'll be installing WordPress on our droplet. Last tutorial I don't think PHPMyAdmin actually completely installed, so in order to make sure it did, do apt get install PHPMyAdmin. Now I actually did go back through and reinstalled it, and you're going to want to make sure you do vi and then do etc and then apache 2 and then apache.conf. Crap, that was not the right one. Just give me a second here. You need yeah, wow, okay, so you need to do vi and then etc apache 2 and then apache 2.conf. And make sure you have the include and this at the top of the line so PHPMyAdmin actually works. After you do that, you can do right click and WQ, and then you can go ahead to your browser and you can see impressiveness. Once you first go there, you'll just see a login screen. You log in with whatever you set when you originally installed your site, and you press enter, and here we go. Yeah, when you first set up your database and such. Okay, so I did get somebody's message. They want me to close my gaming and communication clients. Well, I close my communication client, and my gaming client's still open, so hopefully that will not blow up too tremendously in the next 2 minutes. Okay, so I downloaded WordPress 3.6 is the current version off of WordPress's website. I am now going to upload WordPress to my website. Now, in order to do this, I'm going to have FileZilla open or any other kind of uploading, downloading FTP client you can have. There are millions out there on the internet, and I just happen to use FileZilla because I just happen to like it, and it's very small and it's an easy download. So, while this is all uploading, this can take multiple minutes, depending on your internet speed. And yeah. So we're going to have to go ahead and we're going to have our all of our information that we're going to need. So we're going to have our database username, password, your location, which will be localhost in this case, and we're going to go ahead and install WordPress. Now, installing WordPress is pretty cool. WordPress is a pretty nice CMS, blogging CMS that would be, because you can't really do. You can do a little bit, but it's not too spectacular. But anyways, you can install WordPress on your little site, and you can actually get a custom blog going up. So it's not all that big of a deal. So WordPress is actually pretty nice. So as soon as this gets done uploading, we'll go ahead and finish this tutorial up. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this because I don't want to wait here about 5 minutes. I actually almost forgot to tell you, you're going to want to upload this in your website folder. So you're going to want to make sure you're in var www, and if you follow my tutorial, it's in your site name, and it's in public HTML. Okay, now that it is mostly uploaded, we can go ahead and navigate to our site. I'm getting tired of that. So I happen to put it in the WordPress folder. And we are going to go ahead and create a configuration file, and we're going to do, let's go, the database name we are going to go ahead and actually create, and we're just going to name it WordPress in this case. So we can go over here, go to databases, go to, and press WordPress, or type in WordPress, and press create. You don't really have to worry about the collation. Alright, and then you can type in your username, which is root, and then your password, which you already thought up of. And I'm actually not going to do anything about that. I'm not going to put it in yet until I'm going to pause the video when I press that in. So the database host is going to localhost, and you can go ahead and add a table prefix. I'm going to go ahead and type in my password and press submit. Okay, so now that we have this information here, we're just going to we're actually going to have to create this because I did not put 777. Sorry for that, that just popped up. People get mad. I don't. Whatever. Okay, so we can go to WordPress config. And view edit. then we can press finish editing. Yes. Okay. Run the installation, and the site name in this case is just going to be TJ's blog. Admin, and then you can type in your password, and then your email address. And install WordPress. Now WordPress is actually installed now, so we can go back to the main page, and we can see a really nasty looking blog theme. So anyways, that's how you install WordPress, and you can go ahead and log into your administration area, and you can see more information. Well, this has been another tutorial, and I will be uploading more momentarily. And I start school again here soon, so tutorials will be actually limited, but I am hopefully going to get 1 to 2 in a week. Okay, well thank you for watching, and see you soon.